Right. Now we also know, we're in the business of fitness and we know that six-pack abs are temporary. They don't last for very long. They're often there and you get your pictures done and then you start eating regular food all over again. Right? That's actually the advice we give to anyone who wants six-pack abs. Get some pictures done and forget you had them. You have proof that you did someday. How have you managed to maintain this for 7.5 years? Better than actually.
Yeah, better is the word. A lot more hard work has gone into that. That time I was just, I think, that was a boy who was slightly more lost and no direction. I think he was just trying out stuff. I'm still, he had no, I don't think any plans to, pose or model or anything else. I still don't have a plan here, but I still have I have a destination or like a journey plan. But still, a lot of hard work. I think it's something that I like doing. I think I like working out. It's the only exercise that I get today, so it's very important also. And even on my off days, I like to work out. These days, I've been complaining a little bit that I'm not getting time to work out, but yeah, still I take out 10 minutes a day. So a lot of hard work, and thanks to his Photoshop, which keeps helping. The technology has improved a lot. New softwares, and thanks to Apple and other Photoshop companies.
No, it's not Photoshop at all. It's purely his body. I'm telling you that
Absolutely,
there's minimal Photoshop on
So-
that. Please don't be so.
No, I'm kidding. But you do need a good photographer to click you, especially for body shots. So many technical, aspects to look at, because we all get conscious of our stomach and our physique. So thank you, and for having a great picture. And even the selfie, I think, is damn cool. It's a cool idea.
Yeah.
We were just fooling around on set and trying out different expressions, and I think we've got a cool image. And it's the first time I've seen Men's Health do a cover where the guy is wearing a lot of clothes, fully clothed actually. बिल्कुल कपड़े नहीं उतारे, उसने सब कपड़े पहन रखे हैं लड़के ने. तो I think इनके लिए भी कुछ नया है. Quite an interesting cover for them.
For the record, guys, I think very Men's Health attribute, is being humble. There is absolutely no Photoshop there. Yes, I have seen the raw images. Yes, let me tell you, we have Photoshopped images before, but there's no Photoshop over here, right? And Prabhat will vouch for that.
Yeah,
so,
totally.
Don't be so humble.
Yeah.
Right, Prabhat, you're looking so damn fit. And what inspired you? The Men's Health cover, your first.
New actors, whether they were looking out for new talent, and I've done my share of auditions. I've done my share of even if you see the process of going through that, where I was just a Delhi boy, I think going to college, and this is me trying to make a living as an actor. So there is a difference. So I think I've evolved and changed over the period.